Sanaya Claire S. Moria. I am a sea woman, one of our community friends. My duty is to contributing to the safe and efficient operation of the ship. When I grow up, I want to be a sea woman to travel to many countries. Thank you.
Ayun. Si woman. Hindi ba mermaid? Yay! So we have a doctor.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ariel Selena. I'm Ava. I am a community friend. I am a doctor. I help people to get better.
Ayun. Okay. We have a doctor. Man, mukhang for the jogging ngayon si sir. Okay. Naka-type B or type B. Yeah, type B yata yan.
Hello, everyone. My name is Kanin Sato. I service her in the restaurant. Thank you.
Ayun. Wow. Engineer?
My mission is house, road, bridge.
Friends? Yes?
Bim, sabahan mo, Bim.
Ayan po. Pinagninilayan niya po yung ginawa niya. Ay. Okay, palakpakan naman natin. Very good, ate.
Ilan Habwen. I am a soldier, one of my community friends. One of my duty is ready to respond any threats or emergency.
Ayun, thank you. We have another soldier. Okay.
I am a Florida Obama. I am a policeman. My duty is to serve and protect the surroundings.